Hey guys, today we are making cookies. To make them, add 1 cup of unsalted butter to a saucepan. Cook it until it becomes golden nutty brown in color. Add 3 tablespoons of ghee, 1/4 cup of chilled water, whisk it and put it in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. In a large bowl, add half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of espresso powder. Now mix in the butter mixture and the sugar mixture using a whisk, hand beater, silicone spatula or a simple spoon. Mix it until it's become airy, soft and flowy. Add in a whole egg and an egg yolk. Fold in 1 plus 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda into it. Add in the flour mixture little by little. Mix it really well. When half of the flour is mixed, now it's time to chop some good quality chocolates. You can use compound chocolate, dark chocolate or milk chocolate as per your preference. Chop the chocolate in big chunks. Now add the chocolate chip chunks or the chocolates and the leftover flour into the batter and fold in the flour using a silicone spatula or a spoon. When the batter is mixed properly, freeze the batter for 1.5 hours in the refrigerator and make the balls out of it. The balls should be around 20 to 25 grams each. Now line a baking sheet, add some oil into it first, then apply the baking paper. And some oil again, as the cookies doesn't stick after they are baked. Bake around 2 to 4 cookies at a time for 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Ten minutes before, take them out, knock the cookies on the tabletop and bake them again. Now your cookies are ready. Cool them in a wire rack or a tabletop or your chopping board. Now your gorgeous cookies are ready. They are chewy, they are gooey, they are soft. Now